One of the world's greatest boxers, Mike McCallum, was laid to rest on Saturday. The service for the man known to many as the Body Snatcher was held at the Holy Trinity Cathedral Church.
Born on December 7, 1956 in Kingston, Mike McCallum departed the world on May 31, 2025 in Las Vegas, but not before making his mark not only locally, but across the world. Those who knew him best were on hand to pay their last respect to the man who fought his way into the hearts of the people worldwide. Sports Minister Olivia Babs-Grange is one of those who is close to the Body Snatcher.
Mike came from a community that understands that success is not handed to you. You must train for it. You must fight for it. And you must defend it every single day. He took the grit and determination of Olympic Gardens with him everywhere he went, from the local gyms of Kingston to the grand stages of Madison Square Garden and Caesar's Palace. A career of firsts and greatness. Mike's amateur career alone would have been enough to secure his place in Jamaican sport history.
And to ensure that McCallum's memories lives on, there is another piece of business to be done.
As we redevelop the stadium complex and build a new stadium, we will ensure that a statue of Mike McCallum is placed center of Statue Park to celebrate and to recognize his contribution to Jamaica.
Michael McCallum Jr. is the eldest child of McCallum.
Always a true patriot to Jamaica. A man that signified strength and endurance, and that resonated to the entire family. He showed us that no matter what, you should always be true to yourself. Be strong and be proud of who you are and where you came from. And you see that in everything he did for Jamaica. Every time he went to the ring, every time he continued to prosper in the ring, at the forefront of everything has always been about Jamaica.
Lindell Wallace was a close friend of McCallum as they grew up in Tower Hill. He's a former boxer, now trainer.
And he made Jamaica proud. And he made myself proud too. You understand? Now, him dead and gone as a big champion where every boxer look upon, because him is the first world title holder for Jamaica.
McCallum, who held world championships in 3 weight classes, is survived by mother, wife, and 11 children. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.